Hi guys, and of course, welcome to my channel where we discuss building a bridge between your business ideas and of course, successful business. If you guys are new, then welcome. I'm Tiana. And if you guys are returning, then of course, welcome back and thank you so much for all the love and constant support that you guys are always showing me. Y'all do not forget to go ahead and subscribe and of course turn on that bell notification, and do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And y'all, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I know that a lot of you may be concerned or even frustrated about your social media growth, and as a full-time marketing student, a marketing professional, and a certified social media marketer, I have a lot to say and some tips that people just don't tell you about how to really grow on social media. So the first thing is that you have to post videos. This is really important, and honestly, when you post videos, you want to make sure that it has a good camera quality and a good audio quality. If you aren't speaking in the video, then make sure that you are putting a popular song to help to engage your audience. Also, you want to just make sure that you're posting videos that are informative or entertaining, because most people do go on social media for one of those two reasons, or even create videos that do both. The second thing is to keep up with the trends. This is really important because you want to make sure that you are following the eyes of your target audience. So they may not necessarily be on a specific platform yet, but if they are looking there and they're interested in it, then you want to go ahead and lead the way. Not only that, you want to make sure that you are 2 to 5 years ahead of your current target audience as far as strategies and knowing what platforms that you want to use next. Another thing is that you also want to make sure that your target audience, that you kind of know what they're doing currently and make sure that you are a part of those trends to continue to engage them in the current state that they are in. The third thing is that in the beginning, you need a network of people that will support you. These are people who will share your posts, who will comment and engage because they know you. They may not necessarily be interested, but they are supporting you because you support them, which is another point. People will support you when you begin to support them. So don't think that you can grow your social media audience by yourself. You have to have supportive people around you, and you have to be supportive. There's a saying that says that if you want to go fast, then go by yourself. But if you want to go far, then go together. And that is key. Growing on social media is a process, and it's best to do it with others who support you and your cause. So if you guys are looking to join a growing community, then go ahead and subscribe, and of course turn on that bell notification, and go ahead and comment down below your social media handles so that we can go ahead and begin to support you. The fourth thing that they do not tell you about growing on social media is that you have to follow the 80/20 rule for social media. I did talk a lot about that in my most recent video, which I'll link down below and also in the info cards. But guys, make sure that you're following the 80/20 rule, and that is 80% of the time you are creating content that your audience naturally wants to engage in, and then 20% of the time you are promoting your business and asking them to buy a product or service, whatever, from you. A great example of that is Starbucks. They do a good example of that on their Instagram, which I did also talk about on my video, but go ahead and check out Starbucks Instagram as well, and I'll go ahead and link that down below as well. The fifth thing that they don't tell you about growing on social media is that you have to create shareable content. Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. You, come here. Let me tell you something. Create shareable content. It is a must. This is how you get your engagement up. This is how you get your interactions up. This is how you get everything up. New followers, everything. Okay, honey? Make sure that you are creating shareable content. Great examples of that is affirmations, quotes, tips. Create those shareable contents. And for the company that I personally work for, it works best when we create that within our story for the day. And pretty much we will go ahead and we will tag people. If it's a quote, we'll tag the person who did the quote, whether they're famous or not, and then we'll go ahead and put hashtags in our story. What we do is we will then put those hashtags in that tag underneath the picture and make the picture bring the picture forward. Once we bring the picture forward, no one ever sees them. No one ever sees the @ or they never see the hashtags either. So it just looks like a clean picture to the naked eye. but it does help us to get our views up and really expose us to communities that we typically would have not been exposed to if we were just targeting our regular audience. The sixth thing that you want to remember is that people follow people. So make sure that on your social media accounts that you are posting people. And yes, that does also help you to tag people and mention, tag whatever at. And when you do all of those things, then it does also allow the person that you did tag or mention to repost. So it does also increase your engagement, but also people follow people, and that simply means that they want to know what is really going on behind closed doors in your company. They also want to know who will they be working with. They want to see results of clients and see some of the procedures that your company even goes by, so they know a lot more of what to expect when working with you. So I want to thank everyone who went ahead and subscribed and gave this video a huge thumbs up. And of course, those people who commented down below their social media handles so that we can all support one another. Guys, thank you for watching my video, and I cannot wait to see you all soon. Bye!